What was school like? Did you enjoy it?
I don't think anybody enjoys school, but it's necessary और ज़रूरत है. मुझे लगता है कि जो आप स्कूल में सीखते हो वो पढ़ाई से बहुत बढ़ के बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें होती है. आप दोस्त बनाते हो, आप रिश्ते बनाते हो, आप सीखते हो कि सोसाइटी में कैसे मिक्स होना है. And I think most important of all, you learn how to gain confidence with other people around you. You are not only one person in one family. You learn that everybody around you has different problems, different issues, and you're one of the many. So I think school really does that. And my school was boring, I have to say, but I loved every bit of it. And like I say, I love to read. And the one thing that school did not do was kill my curiosity. So I think that I think I would tell all of you girls today that please read. प्लीज रीड. किताबें उठाओ, कोई भी भाषा में उठाओ, लेकिन कोई भी ये एक चीज जो है, ये एक स्किल है जो आपको हमेशा हमेशा के लिए हर किसी जो whichever field you pick to work in, to be in, whether you're a wife, whether you're a working woman, whether you are the president of, whether you are the next president of the country.
Yeah.
So I think that reading is one of those things that will help you in each and every aspect of your life. So I know it sounds tedious, but you start with one page today, one chapter tomorrow, and a book at the end of the month.
You know, it seems like you have been, and also Ajay has been associated with Bhavna Foundation recently, whether it was Earthing Day, whether it was Environment Day, when you all did the Earthing campaign, and now you are a part of this one, which is Empower to Educate. Can you tell me what it feels like? Why have you decided to do this?
I think they're both causes that make sense to us, that we stand for. I've always been a proponent of children's education. I believe that education is an integral part of our country, and I think that's where we as a country, somewhere down the line, when we educate our country, we're taking our country one notch higher, if not 10 notches higher, and that is our future that is sitting in front of us. So yes, it's a cause that I firmly believe in.
Is there one thing that you know education has definitely done for you, जो आप हमें एक story सुना सकते हैं?
I think I've said it. I think that education is one of those things that is such a, if you are not educated, you will never understand the way the mind works. And that's one thing that I can definitely say that education has given me. It's given me confidence to stand up and talk about what I want to do in life, to say it to a wider variety of such a wider variety of jobs, everything in particular. So I think education is very, very necessary. I wouldn't say it's an option really. It's a necessity.
One book you would want to recommend to the girls?
One book I would want to recommend. Well, I think if you're starting out, I think y'all can start out with the Maluha series from Amish. I think that's in Hindi and in English. So I think that's a good starter book to start up with.
One skill every girl should have apart from studies, or learn apart from studies.
One skill every girl should have. I think confidence. Confidence is confidence. If you're confident, your skill can be learned, or you can fake it. One of the two.
Because confidence, it's true. One thing you wish someone had told you जब आप school में थी?
One thing that I wish somebody had told me was that learning something, education is not the only way to learn something. So yeah, I wish somebody had told me that before I left school.
Favorite school का subject कौन सा था? Let me guess. Reading, English, you know? Maths में कैसे थे?
I was good.
Yes. All right. Your favorite teacher, you still remember?
I do actually. She was my English teacher, as we can say. But yeah, she was my English literature teacher, and she was amazing because she was one of the few teachers that I found who actually, and by the way, let me tell you, even I studied in a convent. Just FYI.
Perfect.
Yeah, I was in St. Joseph's Convent myself, so I'm a convent girl.
So am I. Everyone, convent school. Yes, rocks. All right.
So we had a teacher. We had an English literature teacher who was one of those teachers. Very few teachers in today's day and time, I would say, or at any point in time, who was able to teach me without threatening me, without killing my spirit or my curiosity, and made a friend of me. And at the same time made me respect her. So I think, I'll always be grateful to her for making me understand what a good teacher is.
Thank you for speaking so beautifully, Kajol. You make me want to go back to school. All right, and finally, one dream you still have for yourself. One dream you still have for yourself, or has everything
I have
come
lots
true?
of dreams. I have lots of dreams. I don't know whether they'll ever become reality, to be very honest, but I have lots of dreams. Really, my one dream really is to run a school. I would love to run a school. I would love to open a school of my own. Yes, so I would love to do that.